Yo, what is up? Welcome back to another episode of Customize. On this video, I got a very interesting situation with I'm finding noises on my car. I recently replaced the AC compressor bearing, the most notorious one. I have another smaller noise which I was able to hear after I replaced the bearing. And if you are suspecting that it's coming from the radiator fans, which in my case I think it is. There's two ways you can figure this one out. Um, Best way is with the engine off, because in my case the fans are really close to the engine, so it's really hard to see where it's coming from. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna make it run without the engine running. You can do this two ways. You can jump, either open the switch and jump the relay for the fans, or if you have scan tool capable of doing that, where you have bi-directional functions, you can do that. And this is the part I'm going to use today. But either if you know how to jump fuses, then this is the best way you can do it. So come with me and go ahead and do that. So as you're able to see, both of them are not bad, just one of them, and is on the left side. So I'm going to proceed to remove it and see if I can replace that bearing, which is what I believe is going on with that fan, because the bearing itself is bad. So I'm going to see if it's replaceable. I'm going to take the assembly out, try to disassemble it, and see if I can replace that bearing. So I got them out. This is the one in question. So I'm going to start removing all the bolts around it. You gotta keep in mind that this bolt right here is right hand threaded, so it would not lose as your typical nut or bolt. Instead, it's gonna lose to the right side. So let's keep it going. After a lot of heating and banging this motor, I came to realize that the bearing was not replaceable, at least not to put it back in one piece. In order to take it out, you practically need to destroy the motor and whatever it's hooked up to. So what I end up doing is I went to my local junkyard and I picked one from there, and that's gonna be the solution for this video.
There's no way you can replace this bearing without breaking. One thing I wanted to mention before I go on, if you have a Nissan and this situation is happening to you with the Nissan, make sure you're buying the same one that you have broken. If it's this one, try to buy this same part number or this part number, or if you go to the junkyard like I did, just pick up one from this side. The reason why is because even though both of them have 2 speeds, this one will spin a little bit slower on the low speed, in difference from this one. This one actually spins faster on low speed and will spin even faster on high speed. So make sure you're getting the right one, especially on this one. This one won't matter that much, but this one's the one that's cooling the radiator. So this is the one you gotta look out for. So that's a little tip that I want to leave for you guys. All right, moment of truth. Oh, that's so much better. Alright, that's gonna be it for this video. If you think that I could have done it a different way, or whatever your thoughts about this video, please leave it down below. I would like to hear from you guys, and if you liked it or this video solves any problems for you, just give me a thumbs up and that'll be more than enough. Thank you very much.